PECAN, I know you're a little tired, but can I take a look at you today? Okay. There we go. Here we go. That's it. Here we are at Tamerlaine Sanctuary, and we're in New Jersey, right?
Yep.
So we're about 2 hours from New York. I just drove up this morning. We're seeing a lot of animals. How many animals do you think you have? About 250?
Yeah, around
250. And it's such a beautiful farm. Now, they also have an Airbnb here, so you can come book a night or a weekend. Check out their website, and if you ever care to help them with donations, that's awesome. Or if you want to come visit and see the animals yourself, and the Airbnb is just beautiful. I mean, this is picturesque here. Really unbelievable. It's only 2 hours from New York City. Here we are with Viola, and who's this?
This one is PECAN. PECAN is 5 years old. I mean, this year is going to be 6. And he was rescued from an agricultural program.
Mm-hmm.
So
and what was PECAN's life at the agricultural program like?
It was pretty good for the first few years that the students was,
Mm-hmm.
working with him. But then when the students was done with the program, she realized that it was going to be sent to auction.
Yeah.
Which is, AKA slaughter.
So up to slaughter.
Yeah. So she did everything she could to rescue his life, save his life,
Yeah.
and she did it. She found us. We got in touch with the university. The university were like, no, but she was very determined to rescue him.
Yeah. And so how long has she been here at Tamerlaine Sanctuary?
PECAN has been here since 2016.
Okay.
Yes.
And she's got a good life, right?
He
Everybody
has
loves
a
her.
great life. He's a boy.
Oh,
He's a big boy.
He's got a great life.
He's a big boy, yes. He has
All
a
right.
great
I didn't
life. He's the
inspect.
boss.
I didn't look under there I didn't look under the hood to see. So
Yeah.
he's definitely a boy.
Oh, he's a boy. He's
All
the
right.
boss.
So
Of the piggies. Oh.
PECAN, I know you're a little tired, but can I take a look at you today? I think you said yes. Is it
Yeah.
okay I take a look
Oh,
at it?
yeah,
All right, so
absolutely.
you're going to stay with me.
He will love
And
that.
I'm going to move in. Hi, PECAN. I'm going to give you a little belly introduction stuff. Do you like the belly rub? See a belly guy?
Yeah, it is.
All right, so I'm going to be up in here. First, I want to check his TMJ. Okay. All right. That feels good, actually. Right here. All right. Yeah, you can feel the jaw move. One more. Okay. There it goes. You hear that
Oh,
click?
yeah.
Just made a crack. What do you think of that? Nice. And here's your ears. Below the base of your head here, this is your atlas. Okay, I'm going to work with you a little bit right now. We're going to get on that atlas. And let me see which way we're going to take that. It's a little tight here. Do you feel that when I flex your head a little bit?
It does.
I'm talking to him like he's hearing, but maybe yes. Ooh, that's the tender spot. Oh, all right.
It's too tender?
That's where it's going to
Did you like that? Okay. What happened? You like it? Okay.
And this is what happens when you touch a tender spot. They get going. And
PECAN.
all right, stop just for a second. We might be able to do a little more. Let's see. We're having fun anyway. He's fast. So here, I can get him while he's moving. Okay. All right. Here we go. There we go. Sacrum. I got a little bit when I was on there.
It's quite the release.
All right, let's see if he stops. And I'll probably only get one shot at this. I'm going to start with the belly rub. All right, what do you think if I start here? All right.
Roman.
Do you remember me? I'm the one that got you all worried. Okay, I'm going to do a little belly rub. All right. That's right. Do a little back rub. Here's a spot right here. Put a little pressure in there. Good. Now this is where it made you jump. Let's start really soft. There you go. Ooh, that's it, okay? So what happened is the atlas rotated. It's a little posterior. It's like if this is the atlas, it went up high on the right.
Okay.
And I'm making this because these are the lateral or the transverse processes that create wings. So here it is again, rotated up here. So I feel that high point right there. So I'm just gonna push that back down. Let's see, he's gonna probably jump up and go crazy after I do this. So let's see what happens, okay? But I can do it real fast and we'll be done. So I'm gonna do this one, okay? Here we go. Everybody watching? Camera rolling?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Ooh. There it goes. Do you hear that click?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that might be good. Does he let me? I'm gonna come down the back. Here's the spine.
Maybe you need a softer spot. I don't want to do it inside. I want to do it on brick scope. Sound that you would.
Right, let me see if there's one here. So now we're in the thoracolumbar junction. And right here is a little posterior. Gotta get the angle right. There we go. All right, nice. Okay. Nice. Down here on the right hip. Here's the sacrum. And then the sacral base up here. The hip. Leg. And that leg. There we go. Just have it for a second. Let me stretch it back. Okay. Host it with this. Okay, nice. There you go. So now, he's got that little growth on his tail. You see that? That's new. When I see that, I like to just bite it.
That's new.
No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm not
No,
gonna-
no, but this is the
Yeah.
end. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No.
It's just like a little
Okay, well, I thought it was-
bulbous end. No, I'm joking. I'm not gonna do that. All right, I'm only joking. All right, you see? Okay, good. Nice. Good glutes. That one, you feel that one, right? That's a bad spot. You know, this is a bad spot on you. I gotta fix that. And that's where the rib comes in, on the side here. So let's try this one. Here we go.
Oh, you like
That's
it?
it.
You like that?
Little belly rub. Okay.
Good, baby.
Okay. Good.
Oh, look at that.
He likes it.
Yeah.
He wanted the other side.
Yeah, it's like, wait.
Let me get this side.
Beautiful.
All right. I wouldn't totally say that's a no yet, right?
No.
It came back around.
Oh yeah, he likes it.
All right, so now I'm up on the glute here. Oh, right in there with the big elbow. Little deep tissue massage. Do you think this is the first massage you got today?
Yeah. Definitely the first one of the day.
Yes, because, you know, he has a full day of self-care today.
Oh, totally. Later is gonna be mud bath.
Okay. You can bring that leg back in. Ah! Ah, okay. He's a big guy. Let me see if there's any on this side. Okay.
Sounds like me.
That's the one that makes you moan, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here's a little spot in there. Okay. Whoa. Okay. All right, so listen. We might be done. That's it for him.
You did it.
Leave a comment if you enjoy that as much as I did.
I really like it.
Little belly rub.